How to add an employee. You can add an employee by clicking on the View and Add Connections icon, then select New Employee. Simply enter your employee details, including the first name, last name, and email. Email is the only mandatory field for the system to work. Each employee needs to have a unique email address. If your employee hasn't got an email, you can just make one up, or Okappy can generate a dummy one for you. Your employee can be set as an administrator or a standard user. An administrator can view everyone's jobs. A standard user can only view jobs assigned to them. Then fill in the address and telephone number. You can always finish filling out the rest of the details later on. If you want to send an email notification telling your employee that they have been added, leave it ticked, otherwise untick the box. Click Add Employee. You have now successfully added an employee onto the system.